This is a tuition on how to set up membership plans within Wadboard. Head to your menu and click through to memberships. On plans, click the green button that says new plan. We're going to name our plan 25 session plan. Plan type, you have a selection here of class, service, hybrid, general, and digital. If it is a group of people coming into your premises, leave it on class. For service, this will be things like personal training sessions. A hybrid is where you have a choice of your class and your service together within your plan. General, this is for things like locker rental or parking charges. Digital would be where you email out perhaps a personal training or plan or nutrition. Your charge type. Ongoing means a reoccurring payment. You would have set your charge period down below to monthly, weekly, or customize that. Fixed length. You have a set number of charges, and you have a charge period you can choose as well, and your amount. We're going to leave ours on ongoing. We'll set ours to a monthly charge of £90, and now you have a charge on option. If you have this at day of sign up, it simply means if your member signs up on the 15th of the month, thereafter their payment comes out on that same day every month. If you have a specific day of the month, you would specify your day. We're going to leave ours on the 1st. The initial charge policy. Prorated. If your customer signs up on the 15th, it simply means that they would be charged prorated for the remainder of the month. Their sessions would prorate accordingly. You can change this also if you are putting out a free membership to anybody. Click through to next. This will take you through to your advanced options screen. On completion or cancel auto purchase, if there is nothing that is going to follow on, you would leave this blank. This tends to remain blank for anything ongoing. For fixed plans, this is where you might have another option to go into another plan, especially if it's an introductory offer. Category. This is what your customer sees if you have selected the option for them to view and purchase online. I'm going to put mine as monthly memberships. It organizes the page for them to see clearly. Minimum term, I'm going to set that for 3 months. My notice period will be 30 days. The boxes down here, this is where you have your introductory offer. Your client can only buy that one time. If you have this ticked on hidden, you can only send out a link to your client to be able to purchase this membership. If you have this clicked on restricted, only a staff member with certain permissions can allocate this membership to a client. If none of these boxes are clicked or neither of these two, this will remain online for your customers to see. Limit availability to the following customers. If you've set up a specific plan that you only want a handful of people to have access to, you would put their names in this box. Click Next to take us to usage options. This is where we set our limits on what classes our clients can attend. I'm going to set a limit of 5 for cardio and strength. This will be per week. I will set 1 for mobility. This will also be per week. The limit of 5 for the cardio and strength is a combination of these two classes. This is not 5 each. If you would like it set for 5 each, you would put in another option or allocation there. Your rollover here, if you have that clicked on, you can set rollover and you can cap this. If they have unused sessions, this simply means it rolls over to the next month for them to be able to use. This will never accrue. This will always remain capped at whatever that looks like that you've put in. I'm going to remain unchecked on that. We're going to go ahead and save our plan, and that is complete.